Good morning, everyone. We are operation department. Our department include Mr. Hui, the inventory officer, Ms. Ngọc, the purchasing officer, Mr. Tan, the material and purchasing manager, Mr. Kang, the distribution manager, and me, Mr. Hui, the distribution supervisor. Today we would like to talk about our duty in the style industry. Let's start with my role first. Style industry has excellent products such as doors, windows, bathroom screen. However, if we don't deliver the products to our customer on time, customer won't be happy and we get big trouble. That's the reason why my job is to ensure an efficient and effective flow of product delivered to customer, and my job involves implementing reporting distribution strategy to the manager so that he can evaluate his decisions. Besides, I also have to supervise all the activities in the distribution center to make sure that the employees follow the work schedule. You can look at the picture. I have to keep my eyes on the lazy workers. And moreover, I also have the duty to train new employees who enter our department. And last but not least, even though I'm a strict person, I'm not only accounted for the flow of product only. I also have the responsibility to create a safe workplace for the workers. And this is all about my job. Now, Mr. Kang will talk about his job.
Firstly, I will show you a short description about distribution manager is an individual who learns, coordinate and organize the distribution and storage of a material and produce. And distribution manager monitor arrangement of the shipment of product of goods and to distribution center. And the role of distribution is to manage on the stock control, transportation and warehousing and ensuring the structure work in the industry work effective. And as the top management, the distribution manager is operate with the market executive such as the business organization like the manufacturer firm, retail chains, and that is the short description about the distribution manager. And next I will talk about my responsibility in my companies. I was the person to supervising the cost, the quality and the good efficiency of the storage, and I ensure all the finished to go sent to give to the customer at the right time. First, secondly, I am the person set up on the plan and strategy to the company and make sure the staff achieve it. And finally, I also manage the staff, resource and employees, and finally to make sure them work better and to work effectively. And next, Mr. Tham will.
I will continue by talking about purchasing materials. So let's start with the first part. That's the purchases. So our company in the style industry have many raw material needed. So such as aluminum composites, and but obviously we need wood to produce doors and our products. So however, we just focus in the wood or we call timber. So based on the customer considerations of using the outgrown timbers, so we just harvest and using outgrown timber in our products. Also, we only use the western red cedars, and which is sourced from Canada or the northern of the USA. So as a result, we could control better our source because these goods really sources and with a high quality that we know exactly. So let's start with the next part. That is scheduling supply of materials. So not all of the timber woods will be cut down. We just choose some of them, such as some trees which are tall, big, and enough age to be cut down. And we also make sure that they know clear field areas after we harvest. The harvest areas after that will be replanted immediately to make sure to guarantee the future supplies. Lastly, we talk about managing inventories. So on timber offcuts and sawdust we will recycle for many purposes. We also introduce the manufacturing techniques to utilize the offcuts from our saw timbers to reduce the energy timbers. These energy timbers will be used to add the structural strength to our outdoor products. Lastly, we also apply many energy outlets to conduct on our departments, manufacturing departments, and our showrooms. We also have introduced many policies to reduce the energy usage and waste. These policies will keep our cost on product flows. It's better for our production. So next, Mr. Thúy will talk about. We take her.
Hi, my name is Thúy. My responsibility is focusing on managing inventory officer. We plan, monitor, and control the material and product to make sure that on-time production and delivery for the customer. The material we have timber, aluminium, and composite, and so on. And product is door, window, and shower screen. About the plan, we plan the demand in short term and long term. And then we make the schedule for the employee, so they can work efficiently. And then we must monitor the production schedule and performance daily to make most efficient utilization of the machinery. Moreover, because we have a plan of demand, after the plan, we make the schedule. Moreover, we have worked closely with the customer service staff to communicate there are any schedule change to make any reschedule request by the customer. This is the end of my part. Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ngọc, and my position in the style industry is purchasing officers. And one of the most important things in my role is ensure the quality of on the regular purchasing activity and executive work in the style industry. Moreover, I also have to maintain the complete purchasing, update purchasing records, data, and pricing in the system to make sure to make the summary and report for the company to make the decisions. And I also had to work and coordinate with the supplier to ensure the on-time delivery and make sure the material will import on time to satisfy the production process. Besides that, I also have to be responsible for the preparation and processing and process purchasing orders, and the finals. I also had to negotiate with the supplier and construction aside to for the best purchasing practice in terms of quality, service, and delivery of the material. And this year we are covers the operation development with the start of inventory officers, now purchasing officer, Mr. Tam, material and purchasing managers, hand distribution manager, and we distribution supervisors. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your listening.